Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to increase apps icon size on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to go to the settings first, and then in the settings page you just have to go to this home and lock screen options. Now select the first option, which is home settings. We'll see here the icon size, guys. So if you want to increase the size of your apps icon, you just have to go and then you just have to shifting this button to the right to increase it. So here I'm gonna try it first, and at the top here the preview, guys, like this. So I use the largest one. If you want to save it, you just have to go back because it will save automatically. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.